May the 4th be with you. Hi, it's John here from Speedy Brick. And if you're a Lego fan, you no doubt know that Lego do a lot of big promotions with Star Wars sets on the 4th of May, or these days it's from the 1st to the 5th of May. But I've got quite a few Lego Star Wars sets, and I didn't really want to buy another one today. So I thought I would do a rebuild of the X-Wing that I've already got, rather than buy the really massive set. So this is set 75301, and I'm going to do a rebuild. I took it apart a couple of months ago, so I'm all ready to go. I've got the bags. I put everything back into the original bags, which I always do when I take a set apart again. So we're going to start with bag number 1, and I've got the instructions. Let's get on with it. So that's bag 1 complete, and it's nice and simple so far. It's a great angle that is generated with using these, using these hinge sections. Got 2 great little minifigs, R2-D2 and Luke, of course, with his lightsaber, his red 5 outfit. So I'm quite happy with it so far. Let's get on with building bag number 2. So that is bag number 2 complete. We've got now 4 minifigs, and we've got most of our construction done on the back end here to mount the wings onto. I'd obviously had the stickers on there already, so this was a bit complicated to work it out how to put these pieces in order, but that worked out okay. And let's get on with building bag number 3. So that's bag number 3 complete. We've got the lower wings in. It's starting to make a lot of sense, isn't it? So it looks good, and let's get on with bag number 4. So that was a fun little build of the X-Wing. I put Luke inside, R2-D2 on top. He's sitting a bit too high, really. But, you know, given the constraints, I guess. The detail on the bottom is a bit weak. That probably could be improved a little bit. The landing gear probably needs to have some sort of retraction functionality, but it doesn't. That could be improved. There's lots of small little details that could be improved, but overall, for the number of pieces and for the size, I think it's pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed my little build for the 4th of May, or May the 4th be with you. Until next time, bye.